is about the people. In Japanese, when they write in the letter for the people, they will write the kanji like this. And this kanji have the onyomi reading and kunyomi reading, as you see here. The onyomi reading have the two sound. It has two sound, jin, nin, jin, nin, and the kunyomi have only one sound, hito. The kunyomi is from the original Japanese sound, and the onyomi from the original Chinese sound. So when you learn Japanese, you have to know about the pronunciation of each letter or each kanji in Japanese. So if you remember, that means you can, when you read the Japanese magazine or Japanese book, you will know the pronunciation. So let's see some examples for how to use this kanji. Ninki. Ninki. Ninki is mean popular, pretty, or public favor. If you come to Japan, and you will see that One Piece is very popular in Japan. So if you know about Japan, you know that One Piece is popular. Ninki. Nin is mean the people, and ki, the kanji of ki, is mean heart or your mind. So when you put together to be the compound, it means popularity. Dojin. Dojin. Dojin is mean same person. Do is mean, it had a meaning that the same, and jin is mean people, right? So you put the same two people, that mean the same person or the same people. You see here, dojin. Daijin. Daijin. Daijin is mean substitute or representative. In here, the kanji of dai is mean represent. It mean substitute, or it mean that you change to be represent something. So when you put the people, that mean representative or substitute of the person. For example, if you have to join the meeting but you don't go, and you send another body to go to be represent of your team, or your team, or your country's team. So that means they call daijin. Kyojin. Kyojin. Kyojin is mean giant or great man. And in here you see that the kanji of kyo is mean great or big, something like this. And when we put the kanji of jin, the kanji of hito together, it means the great man or kyojin. Ningen. Ningen. Ningen is mean human being, or a man, or the person. And in this kanji we have that the kanji of hito and the kanji of aida. So when you put together, that is mean human being. Kojin. Kojin is mean individual or private. Ningyo. Ningyo. Ningyo is mean doll or puppet. Here we have the kanji of the person and the kanji of katachi. Katachi is mean just to be something that have a shape. but no life. So when you put the kanji of people and the kanji of katachi together, it means something that like people but no life. So it means popular or doll, and read like nihongo, Eugene. This means friend. You is from the, this mean had the meaning that many people together, and it have the meaning that are friend. But when you put the kanji of hito, it mean friend. Seijin is mean adult. Seijin is mean the kanji of se is mean from the kanji of grow. For example, people will grow from the small age to older and older, right? So when you put the kanji of seijin, is mean that the people grow from the small age to be older and older. The number is much, and the number is increased, right? They are more, for example, 18, 19, something like this. So the to be represent the word like that, they call seijin, which means adult. Jinsei is mean life or human life or your life. And the kanji of jin is mean the people, and sei is mean life. Is mean your life or anybody life. So it means that you put the people and the life, which mean the life in the people. So they call human life or life, and Japanese they say jinsei. Jinsei is mean all of your life, everything that happened in your life, they call jinsei. Hito is mean man, person, or human being, or mankind, or people. Now is we are learning how to say in original Japanese reading sound, which mean onyomi. Hito ichibai is mean more than others or exceeding. Hito is mean person. Ichibai is mean, bai is mean one time, right? Time. Ichi is mean one, so one time. Hito ichibai is mean more than one person time. Is mean like this. So hito ichibai is mean if your friend get 1,000 US dollar, and if you say hito ichibai is mean that you get $2,000, something like this. Koibito is mean lover or sweetheart, or it mean that girlfriend and boyfriend. This kanji is mean we have the koi, the kanji of koi is mean love, and the second kanji is mean hito, and hito is mean people. So we have the kanji of love and people, so which mean lover or sweetheart or girlfriend and boyfriend, had a meaning like this. And you see that the reading of the kanji hito in here is will be bito. Why? Because the kanji of hito is at the back of the kanji of koi. So we put 10. So we can say bito, koi bito. We don't say koi hito. Say koi bito. This we also say hitobito. Hitobito. Hitobito is people or everybody. We say in general. So in general, just say about people. So in Japanese, they say hitobito. Hitobito is mean people, general people, everybody. And it is about the special reading. So it don't have in it doesn't have in onyomi reading and kunyomi reading. This is about the special reading, so you have to remember, not depend to the onyomi reading or kunyomi reading. In here we say otona. Otona is mean adult. Otona and seijin. The last moment we already learned about seijin, right? Seijin is also mean adult. But in here, adult, in here we mean that the person that are 18 years old. If you live in some country that they have the law that if your age is 18, more than 18 years old, that means you are adult, you are not children, or you are not your mothers, you are not just a children, but you are adult. So depend to the country, that which country, maybe some country they define about 17 years old, but in here some country they define about 18. So when your age is 18 years old, that means you are adult. And in Japan they say otona. And in here we have the kanji of oto, the not oto, but it's the kanji of oki. Oki is mean big, so big, and it put the kanji with hito. This mean big person, but they don't say big person, they say adult. They mean you already grow up to be the person by yourself. And this also the special reading hitori. Hitori is mean alone or one person. So you can say hitori de gakkou e ikimasu, which means I go to school by alone. I go to school alone. In here they don't say we have the kanji like ichi. Ichi is mean one, and the second kanji is mean hito. Hito is mean person. So one person, one with the kanji with person, this mean one person or one people, or alone, which means you alone. But they don't say ichi hito. They don't say ichi hito or ichi bito. They don't say that. They say hitori. So you should remember the special reading. Don't say hitori. Don't say the ichi hito. Don't say like this. Just say hitori. And he also does special reading. We read like futari. Futari. Futari is mean two people. And in here we have the kanji of ni. Ni is mean two, and hito is mean people. So if you put two people, this means two people. But they don't say ni hito. They say futari is mean two people. So thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you have not subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer your question. ありがとうございました。